This Sender, Realtors property video is presented by Pam Yungblut. Great family large brick home with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2 living rooms, covered patio and workshop. The backyard also has a side yard for privacy, which is great for hot tub or a coffee area. It is shaded and private feeling. This home has beautiful wood look tile, updated kitchen counters, lots of storage in kitchen, open to both living areas for gatherings. The master bath has a wonderful updated tiled large shower and his and hers separate closets. This home also has a 2-car garage and is located in Wylie ISD. For more information, review the details below.